Okay class, as if you're all wondering why I'm back in my regular avatar. Well, it's because I got plastic surgery on September 1st, 2014. But anyways, let's start this period with a... Hey, who just burped?
It was me, Mr. Jack. I'm sorry.
Well, evil Barney, I can't believe you burped in class. You know burping is very rude. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So evil Barney, why are you here today? Did you do anything bad?
As a matter of fact, yes. I burped in class.
Evil Barney, we do not burp in class. Burping is very rude. That's it. You're expelled from Main Street High School. Go home now.
Evil Barney. We can't believe you burped in class today. And you also got expelled as well. That is it. You're grounded. And for this, I'm calling Natalie to come over here and take you to the airport.
No. Don't call Natalie. Please don't call Natalie. I'm sorry.
Well, that's too bad, Evil Barney. I'm calling Natalie right now. Hello, Natalie. This is Evil Barney's dad speaking. Can you come over here and take my son to the airport? Because he got expelled for burping in class. Okay. Goodbye. Natalie will be on her way to pick you up.
Mom and Dad. I'm sorry.
Shut up, Evil Barney. Series will not work.
I agree with your mother.
But where is Natalie taking me?
She will explain it to you in her van. And look. Here she comes.
Come with me, Evil Barney. I'm taking you to the airport. And you're in big trouble.
No. Natalie. Why am I in your van? And where am I going?
Well, it's because your father told me you got expelled from school for burping in class. And you're going to France as your punishment. And sorry if the van is bouncing. It's just a little bumpy. But anyways, if you escape from France, you will be grounded small world time. Do you understand?
Yes, Natalie. I understand. But I'm sure gonna miss this city.
Oops. I farted. Excuse me.
Welcome to the airport. How may I help you?
I would like one ticket for Evil Barney to France.
Okay, one ticket to France coming right up. Here's the ticket.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
And as for you, Evil Barney, enjoy your flight to France. And I hope this teaches you a lesson. Goodbye.
Flight 108 to France is ready.
Yeah.
Flight 108 to France has now landed.
Why did I get sent to France for burping in class?